Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm super excited to share something that could be a real game changer in the crypto space, and yes, you can still jump in early. We're talking about WeWake, a next-gen blockchain project with its pre-sale live right now. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's dive straight into it. Let's talk about something that's set to change the way we experience crypto forever. WeWake. Imagine a blockchain that lets you jump right in without paying gas fees, without worrying about slow transactions, and without facing endless setup steps. That's exactly what WeWake does. It's a next-generation Layer 2 blockchain built for instant transactions, powered by zero-knowledge rollups for speed and scalability. But here's the kicker. They've stripped away all the intimidating crypto hurdles. No bridges, no hidden costs, no technical headaches. You simply connect using one of over 470 supported wallets, like Wallet Connect, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Phantom, Bybit Wallet, Binance Wallet, Binance.us, or Coinbase Wallet, and you're ready to go. From there, you can access NFTs, tokens, swaps, and DeFi features instantly. This isn't just about speed, it's about making crypto truly accessible for anyone, even if you're brand new to Web3. If you want to get in early, WeWake's presale is live right now, and we're currently in stage 8. The token price at this stage is $0.0205, while the planned listing price is $0.1500. Joining is quick and straightforward. Just choose your preferred wallet from the supported list: Wallet Connect, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Phantom, Bybit Wallet, Binance Wallet, Binance.us, Coinbase Wallet, or any of the 470 plus compatible wallets, and connect it to the platform. Once connected, you can buy $WK tokens directly without paying any gas fees. The current stage details and price are clearly displayed on the dashboard, so you know exactly what you're paying. This is still pre-sale, which means you're getting in before major exchange listings at a fraction of the planned launch price. Select your payment method, confirm your purchase, and your tokens will appear instantly in your connected wallet. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. I'm not a financial advisor. So, what's the big idea behind WeWake? It's all about fixing what's broken in Web3 onboarding. Most crypto projects expect you to already understand wallets, gas, and private keys before you can even get started. WeWake turns that model upside down. You can start using it right away, even without a wallet, and all those technical details happen in the background. They're using cutting-edge tech like ERC-4337 smart wallets for gasless transactions, plus Web3 auth with multi-party computation for bulletproof security. This means you get the ease of Web 2 with the power of Web 3, all wrapped in one clean user experience. Whether you want to trade, collect NFTs, or build apps, WeWake makes it painless from day one. Let's dive into the tokenomics of $WK. The total supply is 308, 726, 951, 00 tokens, and they're not just for trading. Holding $WK comes with real perks. You can stake your tokens to cover gas fees for other users and get rewarded for it. Swap more, invite friends, and you'll earn cashback in $WK. Holding them can even reduce your swap fees all the way to 0. Plus, $WK holders get governance rights, meaning you can vote on the platform's future direction. The token also unlocks access to the WeWake SDK for developers, and you can use it as collateral in DeFi, opening up lending and borrowing opportunities within the ecosystem. Now, about the roadmap. WeWake has some big milestones ahead. They're starting strong with the pre-sale and platform onboarding, but that's just the beginning. Upcoming stages include expanding developer adoption of their SDK, rolling out more white label solutions for partners, and strengthening DAO governance so the community has a direct hand in shaping the ecosystem. They're also focused on scaling even further with their ZK rollup technology to handle massive transaction volumes without compromising speed or security. This isn't a launch and disappear type of project. They've got a clear plan for sustained growth. Their white paper really lays out the vision in detail. It covers everything from the technical architecture of their Layer 2 solution to the specifics of their Paymaster API, which sponsors all user gas fees. It also goes deep into their security stack, explaining how Web3 Auth, NPC, and ERC 4337 combine to create a frictionless, yet highly secure onboarding process. There's a section on DAO governance, showing exactly how token holders can propose and vote on changes. If you're the type who likes to dig into the nuts and bolts, it's worth reading cover to cover. Beyond the basics, WeWake is building up features that keep users engaged. Their NFT integration means you can buy, sell, and showcase digital collectibles instantly. Stakey rewards give you passive income opportunities, and the reward system for swaps and referrals creates a natural incentive to grow the community. It's a self-reinforcing cycle. More users mean more transactions, which means more rewards and governance participation. Everything ties back to that goal of making Web3 easy, rewarding, and community-driven. So, to wrap it up, WeWake isn't just another blockchain. It's a rethinking of how people get into crypto in the first place. By removing wallets, seed phrases, and gas fees from the equation, they're opening the door to millions of potential new users. The tech is solid, the tokenomics have real-world utility, and the roadmap shows they're in it for the long haul. Still, remember, this is not financial advice. Always research before making investment decisions. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the most promising crypto projects out there.